Hi my loves, welcome back to Fahima's World. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows using henna. You all know that our eyebrows as women contribute a lot on uplifting our face features, even when we are doing makeup or even when we are just chilling. If you have dope eyebrows that are looking good and made up, you know your face is always eating. Cloak it. So I'm going to show you first some of the products I'm going to be using. This is the henna we are going to be using. It's actually written that we should not use this for our eyebrows, but people have been using it and I jumped onto the bandwagon. Lord help us, I haven't seen any side effects. It's not damaging my skin or my eyebrows. I have never experienced any itching, so yeah, I'm riding with it. And so this is the first thing we are gonna need, and then we will need this kind of pencil, just any white pencil you can find. It will be helping you with lining your eyebrows. And then we will need some cotton buds or earbuds that will help us to clean off the henna if there is any residues on the side. And of course we are going to need spoolies, like a couple of them, because you never know what you're going to need. So I have these three: a normal spoolie and two of these brushes, a slanted one and just a full one like that. So first thing to know about this henna, that it lasts for only a week. So it's very helpful for people who don't want to do microblading like me. I really feel like I don't want to make a decision like that because I may change my mind. Microblading is like tattoo, and I feel like I'm a person who gets bored with things quickly. So if a few years later I'm bored with that eyebrow that got tatted on my skin and I can't remove it, I'll be so frustrated. So that's why I'm choosing to be doing henna like every once a week if I have time. If I don't have time, I'll just go with my natural eyebrows and draw the pencil, like the ordinary pencil. First thing you're going to do is moisturize the part where you're going to use the henna, as I just did. So then we will unpack this thing, and oh my god, it's loaded. I guess this is a glove inside. Yeah, but I'm not going to need this. And this one is used if you're going to use the henna for the hair, so I don't need this either. I only need these two, I feel. So this pack is actually new because my old bottle finished, so I have to go ahead and open this. Yeah, just like that. Please, come on. Okay, we're done opening. And then yeah, there's a cover like this, so we have to remove the rubber. Lord have mercy. Yeah, it's off. So usually we need something to mix our henna with, and luckily they put a tin of this size and it's clear so that you can see what you're doing. And yeah, I just put this much. The next step is adding water to the henna, so I'll use this other cup to bring water. Yeah, okay, we need just a drop, you guys. This part is so tricky, like you have to make sure you don't add a lot of water. Okay, just a drop, and then we are going to mix our henna. This is how it looks like inside so far. Anyway, I'll give this time to rest as I shape our space that we are going to use. So there's a mirror in front of me here, so my face is going to be like this, but the camera is here. Let's do this. Oh my god, help me, because I'm recording for my friends. I hope it turns out great. So you just need to have a little bit of art draw slightly like this. I don't have to look into the camera. The tip is drawing slowly, so you just draw over your natural eyebrow basically, but slowly, just to shape where you will be putting the henna. And then you just do the same thing up. Yeah. Ooh, this is kind of big. Okay. You just do the same thing up. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Okay, so you use this type of pencil to shape, and this is how we are right now. Don't aim for perfection. That is my trick. Like, I just draw what I can, and then I have already combed my eyebrows using a spoolie upwards, you know, just that simple. Applying needs a lot of patience. We have to put it on slowly. I can't do a lot of talking right now because I want to focus. So you just go over them slowly. Oh my god, I'm not showing what I'm doing. So it's hard to get these eyebrows like to look like twins exactly, but yeah, you just do your best and move on. And that's what I'm doing right now. I feel like at this point I'm just going to let the henna dry and we'll go with the result that comes out. Yeah, well, it's a few moments later and I think this henna is dry. When it's dry, it peels off just like this. You guys see, like it's peeling off. Like, I'm still going to clean it with tissue. Oh, the feeling of removing this is so satisfying. Like, I love it so much, and it doesn't hurt. So I'm just going to do with a piece of tissue. I really love it. I feel like it's come out so good. This is how we look, like eyebrow henna. I'm good to go. Like, imagine for the whole of this week, I'll just get out of bed and go. Like, if I want to do makeup, I'll just do everything else, but I don't have to do my eyebrows. I like to go in with, it's this eyebrow gel. It's normally clear, but I mixed mine with mascara. Like, it makes it look even prettier. Like, I just go over my eyebrow with eyebrow gel and rub it in. Oh my god, look at that shine. Then I'll do the same from this side. Eyebrow gel, tap tap tap, and we are good to go. Like, if you want to conceal after this, you can conceal. If you just want to go as you are, it's also an option, you know, like as you like. This is the final look. This is how I look. I've got my eyebrows for the whole week. Yeah, it's not pencil. It's not gonna go off even if I sleep. I have used a little bit of concealer on them, but I'm not doing too much because at home it's night and I'm going to sleep after this. So yeah, I don't have to do a lot. I just applied a little concealer just for the sake of the video, but yeah, I think this is pretty good. Thank you for watching and see you in another one.